I enjoyed it. It was really good.
I hadn't seen an opera like that before. It was very good. It's very engaging. It's very dramatic.
First time I've been to the opera, I didn't know what to expect at all, and yeah, I was really blown away.
It was interesting to see that kind of music being performed by WNO. I think it showed a lot of vision.
I liked it where there was like not very many musicians and you could hear all of them.
Probably not something that you've seen before or anything like it.
I think it's just a completely different experience to any other art form.